Hey clean freaks and home heroes, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling the mess with the top 5 wet and dry vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or those tough liquid spills, these vacuums are designed to handle it all. From power and versatility to ease of use, we've got the top models you'll want in your home. Check out the links in the description for all the details, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home essentials reviews. Let's get cleaning. Starting at number 5, the VacMaster Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning machine for all your needs. Its 5.5 peak HP motor powers through wet and dry tasks with ease, perfect for low-pile carpets, car interiors, and upholstery. With a 6-gallon capacity tank and easy drain port, you can clean for longer without constant emptying. The multi-layer filtration system, including a washable cartridge filter and a HEPA exhaust filter, ensures thorough cleaning while the foam filter handles wet messes. Featuring a remote control handle and 360-degree swivel casters, this vacuum offers smooth, quiet operation. Whether vacuuming or shampooing, the VacMaster has all the tools you need for any job. At number 4, the iFloor 3 Breeze Complete is a compact powerhouse for hard floors. This 2-in-1 machine vacuums and mops at the same time, leaving floors dry and streak-free in minutes with over 90% water recovery. Lightweight and self-propelled, it's easy to maneuver around your home, even on stairs and tight corners. Plus, its hands-free self-cleaning cycle keeps the brush and tubes fresh between uses. The complete edition includes extra roller brushes and cleaning solution, so you're always ready for the next mess. Ideal for small spaces without compromising performance, this vacuum makes quick work of everyday floor cleaning. At number 3, the Rubberrock Dyad Air is your go-to vacuum for tackling both wet and dry messes. Its powerful 17,000 pascal suction power handles everything from spills to crumbs, while its agile cleaning head and superior edge cleaning ensure no spot is missed. Thanks to the Dirtect Smart Sensor, it adapts to different dirt levels, giving you the right amount of power where it's needed. Plus, the Revo brush system cleans and dries itself, so it's always ready to go. You can control it easily with the app, customizing schedules and monitoring progress. For a hassle-free, efficient clean, the Dyad Air has everything you need in a modern vacuum. At number 2, the Makita Wet Dry Vacuum is perfect for tough jobs that demand power and efficiency. With a 12 AMP motor delivering 148 CFM of suction power and 92 inches of water lift, it easily tackles wet and dry messes. The automatic filter cleaning system prolongs filter life, and the HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles, ensuring cleaner air in your workspace. An onboard tool-activated power outlet offers convenience, automatically turning the vacuum on and off as needed, with a 10-second delay to clear debris. Whether for home or professional use, this vacuum's efficient 2-stage filtration system and user-friendly design make it a powerful cleaning companion. Number 1. Fine Turbo iWet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a reliable vacuum that can handle both wet and dry messes? The Fine Turbo iWet Dry Vacuum Cleaner offers powerful suction with its 151 CFM turbine and 98 psi water lift. Despite its strength, it operates quietly at just 66 decibels, perfect for workshops or installations where you need peace. With a 19-feet power cord and 13-feet hose, you'll enjoy extended reach, making large area cleanups a breeze. Its smart anti-static function and auto-start outlet with a power delay ensure safety and smooth operation. Built for professionals, this vacuum is durable, easy to maneuver, and highly efficient, making it an excellent choice for serious dyers and contractors alike. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.